Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm very excited because I'm going to share with you a product that I had the opportunity to try, and it's a Sublimation Ink. You can find it on Amazon, but I'm also going to put the link in the description box. And this is the name of it. Hippo, I guess is pronounced. I got this ink and it comes in all the regular sublimation colors. Here they are. Let me put them here so you can see them. Okay. And it comes with each color. It comes with the syringe for each one, and they also threw some gloves. I already printed a few things that I want to do so that I can literally show you how it works. This Sublimation Ink is compatible with the following printers: any Workforce series, which is the WF plus the rest of the numbers. It's also good for the Expression series, XP, and then the numbers. And it's also compatible with the Supertank series. So if you have any of these printers or you're looking into buy any of this printer, this is the ink to go for. You can go and check the reviews. I mean, they have super good reviews. The price of this ink is $22.99, but as I just went into my Amazon account and I checked, and right now they have a $3 off coupon. And remember, with Amazon, if you purchase 25 or more, you can get it shipped for free. Basically anything that's sublimation you can print with this ink. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and print a few things. I'm using the Heat Press Nation printer, the one that automatically opens when the print is done, and I'm also going to put a link of the printer that I use if you guys like it. For this video, you guys, you're going to need, of course, to print your images with this fabulous ink. You're also going to need a lint roller, and you're going to need 2 pieces of butcher paper, one that goes inside the t-shirt and one that goes on the outside. You're going to need some heat tape. I printed this last night, so look at that. And I also printed another one that I have been washing. I think I already did the 5th wash, and it's right now it's in the dryer. So I'm going to be showing you how nicely it's keeping the vibrant colors. Okay, so I did this one, and let me show you the other ones that we're going to be doing in a second. The t-shirt that I'm going to be using is the Hanes Color Drive V-neck 100% polyester, and I'm going to put the link as to where I get them. I got these for $5.10. So let me get my camera in a different direction so you can see the process of the printing, and let's get to work. Here's the first one I'm going to do. I decided to do the one that has more color, that has pink to it for this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our lint roller, and we're going to go ahead and clean across. Then we're going to go ahead and add the paper in the middle, just like that. So I'm going to lean it more towards the left because that's where we're going to be putting the image. Just like that. So let me go ahead and press for a few seconds. There it is. Now we're going to add our image that says my skills pay the bills, Lady Boss. So we're going to go from where the V-neck right here, we're going to go maybe about 2 fingers down. So we're going to go and put that right in the middle. There it is. So we're going to go ahead and add a piece of tape here and here. And then we're going to go ahead and put our paper on top. And there goes for 60 seconds. So here it is, the t-shirt. Let me put the paper out. And let's go ahead and pull out the image. Look at how beautiful. My goodness, look at that. Let's go ahead and print the other one. So done. I'm going to talk about another item that this company have, and it's called the Universal Print Head Cleaning Kit. Check that one out, and again, I'm going to put the link in the description box for you to see it. I think it's one thing to have handy, just in case you need to clean or maintenance your printer. So here it is. There we go. So for this image, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be cutting around. Just in case there's any inks that we don't see, we're just going to go all the way around and kind of cut it off. And like right here, there's not much we can cut here, but we're just going to go ahead and cut it. There it is. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring these halfway, like go in the middle and put a mark right there. Okay, in the middle of the t-shirt is going to be, here's your V-neck, and I'm going to go three fingers down from the from where the seam is at. Here's the V-neck and here's the seam. So we're going to go 3 fingers down, and we're going to put it right in there. Make it straight. Oh, the other way. There it is. Right there. We're going to put some tape, maybe on 3 parts of it. And here we go. Let's get it to the print. Okay, here it is. So let me take the picture inside first. Oh wow, look at how pretty that looks. So this is the one that you saw me printing. Here it is. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see it. Look at how vibrant the colors are. Okay, that's the one. And here's the other one. I really like these t-shirts. Entrepreneur, someone who jumps off a cliff and builds a plane on the way down. Okay, so that's that one. Look at, again, the colors are super vibrant. Okay, so this is the one that I really wanted to show you. This is the one I did last night, and this morning the first thing I did when I got up is I threw it in the wash. I did 5 wash and dry, wash and dry, wash and dry, and look at the colors, how vibrant they are. Look at how beautiful it is. But either way, go check out their reviews, check out their prices. I think they're fantastic. I believe each set of inks prints up to 3,000 images. So I love it, I love it, I love it. All the links in the description box below. For now, that's all for me, you guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Stay safe. Until next time, thank you.